Welcome to our Human Development Clinic. I'm Rebecca Colts, Department Head of Counseling.
And I'm Brian Lamb, Director of the Human Development Clinic.
Nearly 50 counselors in training a year make their way through the Human Development Clinic in our training process. The clinic here is a really important part of that training process. In our department, we believe in learning by doing, and we hold classes here, and the students do their practicum at the clinic here, as well as their internship here.
During practicum, students are seeing their first ever clients, and then during internship, they're gaining the skills needed for graduation so they can move into the community to be clinicians. During the 12 months that we offer services, we offer over 2,000 hours of low-cost counseling services on a sliding scale basis.
My name is Abby, and working at the clinic has been a really transformative experience for me. Having the opportunity to work with a really wide range of clients in community mental health has been beautiful, a really privileged experience to be here. The clinic offers services to all community members, families, couples, kids, individuals, sort of from any experience, any walk of life. And being able to sit with people in this setting has been such a deep privilege to be able to walk with folks in that process. One of the things that I really love about the clinic is that it is such an accessible resource to folks in the community because we run at a sliding fee scale. Having low income folks with no insurance, people, like I said, from all sort of experiences have access to quality mental health care. And being able to learn as a student what that looks like to be able to participate in sliding fee scale work and community mental health has been a huge learning experience that's been very valuable for my future as a mental health professional. I think as students, having kind of reorient your life to what it means to be in a master's program, what it means to work in mental health is a process of sort of pruning out areas of your life that get in the way sometimes of being able to do this work fully. And of course, I think one of those things is living in Bozeman, living in Gallatin County is so expensive, and access to higher education, access to mental health care, access to health care is so challenging in our community. And that's both like the blessing and the curse of working in community mental health and working in a sliding fee scale clinic is having this really cool opportunity to provide a much needed service for the community and balancing how to survive as a student and how to live in this community myself, and kind of walking alongside clients in that process as sort of navigating my experience as well. One of the benefits of working at this clinic and ultimately having paid internships here, having a clinic that's self-sustaining as far as finances go, offers that really sort of like breaking down the wall for a real immersive educational experience where students are able to work here and afford to survive in this economy and in this county and in this city while still being able to learn and engage in ways that we don't have to stress about how we're going to pay rent while we're finishing this degree, and being able to provide those quality services for folks in a way that's accessible to students and the community as well.
This is a very interesting room in the clinic. Similar to many of the other rooms, it's a multi-purpose room where often individual counseling and couples counseling would be taking place. In addition, connected to our training that we do in the clinic, this room has the ability to look into the other room so we can watch live as new students who are learning the foundational counseling skills are practicing with each other before they start seeing clients to be able to provide them immediate feedback as they work on their learning and growth. Now here on the other side, we have the room where training students will often meet together to be able to be watched live and be observed, in addition to our usual, as many of the other rooms are, multi-purpose individual and couples counseling that takes place here as well. In this room, similar to the others, the multi-purpose ability to do individual and couples work and maybe some family, and then the addition of our sand tray here in this room where clients can meet and work using the sand tray modality, which is appropriate for all ages and often helps clients access parts of themselves that might be a little more difficult to do with just talk.
clinic has been open for about 30 years, providing services while being a training and research site.
As you can imagine, to provide the services that we do here to the Gallatin Valley, as well as meet the land grant mission of Montana State University, comes with a cost. And we would really appreciate donations. We're looking specifically for things to fund our interns here at the clinic, to be able to pay them for the services that they provide to the Valley, as well as you can imagine this building is a beautiful building, but it comes with a lot of renovations that need to be done. We're hoping that you might consider donating to the Human Development Clinic.
Your donation will help us to keep services low for our clients, but then still allow us to grow and make the improvements needed to be a great place for them to come to receive mental health services.
As well as to continue to be a very state-of-the-art training clinic for our counseling students here in the Department of Counseling.
Thank you for considering donating to us. We really appreciate your support.